Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your eligibility with Anthem Blue Cross. To verify your eligibility with Anthem Blue Cross, start by visiting the Anthem Blue Cross website. Navigate to the Member Services section on the home page. Locate the option for Eligibility and Benefits. Click on it to proceed. You will need to sign in to your member account. If you don't have an account, select the option to create one. Provide the necessary personal information as prompted. Once you're signed in, enter your member ID or social security number as required. Choose the relevant plan for which you want to verify eligibility. Review the eligibility requirements listed for your specific plan. Make sure all details match your information accurately. If you encounter any issues, look for the Help or Contact Us link. You can reach out to customer service for assistance via phone or live chat. Follow any additional instructions provided by customer service if needed. After verifying your eligibility, take note of important coverage details. Keep this information handy for future reference. Congratulations! You successfully verified your eligibility with Anthem Blue Cross. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.